Hello and welcome to Carnegie Library Pittsburgh's Teen Time at Home. My name is Matt. Thanks for joining us again. Summer is here and we still have lots on our minds and a lot to say. This month, we'll be writing, personalizing, and sending a greeting card to someone that we care about. You can talk about your plans for the summer or just share some of your thoughts and feelings, whatever you'd like. We can also decorate the inside of our cards to make them personalized. I like this activity because it allows us to meditate on our thoughts and feelings while still connecting with others. Take a moment to think about what you're going to write and who you're going to write it to. The only supplies you'll need are a card, an envelope, a stamp, and a pen or pencil to write and address your card with. You can also color or decorate your card as well in order to personalize it. You can use whatever you normally use at home. Crayons, colored pencils, it's entirely up to you. Maybe even use some stickers or cut out some fun designs from paper and attach them with a glue stick. Let us know in the comments section or send an email to teens@carnegielibrary.org if you have an idea for other activities you'd like to do here. If you like today's activity and are looking for a little information on adding secret codes and messages to your writing, you can scope out Codes, Ciphers, and Secret Writing by Martin Gardner. You can check it out immediately through Hoopla with a Carnegie Library Pittsburgh library card. You can also check out titles through the Carnegie Library Pittsburgh's catalog. If you're looking to stay on a writing streak, check out the Ralph Munn Creative Writing Anthology from 2020. Also, check out Rip the Page, Adventures in Creative Writing by Karen Benke. You can check out both using your Carnegie Library Pittsburgh library card. All these links and more can be found on the resource card at the end of the video. Thank you again for hanging out for Teen Time at Home. At CLP Teenspace on Instagram and share what you made today in the comments section if you'd like. You can also keep an eye out for grabbing new activity kits at your neighborhood CLP locations in order to participate with us. We definitely look forward to creating together next Wednesday. See you later.